we build our world. Have you ever dreamt of a life bathed in abundance? Imagine waking up to a bank account overflowing with joy-inducing possibilities. Picture yourself confidently stepping into a career you love, one that rewards you handsomely for doing what sets your soul on fire. Feels pretty amazing, right? Ever close your eyes and imagine your wildest dreams coming true? That dream house, that financial freedom, that sense of abundance flowing effortlessly? But here's the thing. That life, that future, isn't just a pipe dream. It's a powerful magnet waiting to attract you, and the key to activating its pull lies in a surprisingly simple, yet often overlooked practice. Close your eyes for a moment. Can you see it? Your future self, radiating success, living a life that lights you up from within. That's your end state, the beautiful destination where your journey leads. So, are you ready to unlock the door to your future? Buckle up, because this journey is about to get beautiful. Here at Better World Zone, our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. Subscribe now to be part of the best world. Step 1. Sensory immersion. All right, beautiful souls, let's dive into the first step of strengthening your connection to that incredible future you envisioned. Think of it as building a bridge, a shimmering pathway leading you straight to your end state. Step 1 on this bridge? Sensory immersion. Think of your senses like portals, each one opening a doorway to a deeper experience of your desired reality. Today, we'll focus on sight, sound, and touch. Close your eyes once more and imagine yourself at your end state. See it with vibrant clarity. Are you basking in the golden light of a beach vacation, the turquoise waves lapping at your toes? Or perhaps you're gazing out at the sprawling cityscape from your dream penthouse apartment. Let the details come alive. Now focus on sound. What do you hear? The rhythmic crash of the ocean waves? The excited buzz of a thriving business meeting? Maybe it's the laughter of loved ones gathered around a table laden with delicious food. Allow the sounds to fill your awareness. Finally, bring touch into play. Feel the warm sand beneath your feet, the plush carpet under your bare toes, or the reassuring hand of a loved one on your shoulder. Let the physical sensations ground you in your vision. Stay in this sensory experience for a few minutes. Breathe deeply, allowing the details to solidify. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and abundance wash over you. This isn't just visualization. It's a full-bodied immersion into your future reality. Remember, the stronger your connection to your end state, the stronger the magnetic force you create. By engaging your senses, you're not just dreaming, you're planting the seeds of your desired reality in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind. That's step 1, beautiful souls. And as you continue on this journey, remember, the bridge is built one sensory experience at a time. So keep practicing, keep immersing yourself, and watch the magic unfold. By regularly practicing this sensory visualization, you'll forge a powerful connection to your end state, attracting not just money, but the richness of a life truly lived. Step 2. Affirmations with action. Now, let's unlock another powerful technique, affirmations with action. Remember, affirmations are positive statements that reprogram your subconscious mind for success. But today, we're taking them a step further by adding the fuel of action. Think of your end state, that beautiful vision you hold dear. Now, craft affirmations that describe your future self as if it's already happening. Use present tense and infuse them with gratitude and belief. For example, I am grateful for my abundant income that allows me to live a life of freedom and purpose. But don't just say them, feel them. Speak your affirmations with conviction, picturing your future self radiating the emotions you desire. Now comes the action part. This isn't about grand gestures. It's about small, consistent steps that move you closer to your end state. Maybe it's taking an online course related to your dream career, finally starting that blog you've been dreaming of, or simply creating a vision board to to keep your goals front and center. Remember, the universe responds to momentum. By taking action, you're not just saying you want it. You're showing the universe you're actively co-creating your desired reality. It's like sending out a clear signal, amplifying the magnetic force drawing you towards your abundance. So, dear magnetizers, go forth and craft your powerful affirmations. Then, take that crucial step of action, no matter how small. Remember, consistency is key. With each action, you're weaving the threads of your future reality, attracting abundance not just of money, but of fulfillment and joy. Step 3. Gratitude as a magnet. Next, we explore the third powerful step, gratitude as a magnet. Remember, gratitude isn't just a polite thank you. It's a powerful, energetic force that amplifies your desires and attracts more good into your life. So how do we harness this magic? Start by taking a moment each day to acknowledge what you already have. It doesn't matter how small it seems. Be grateful for the roof over your head, the loving people in your life, the delicious meal you enjoyed. Focus on the positive, feeling genuine appreciation in your heart. Now, take it a step further. Express gratitude for what you are becoming. Thank yourself for the actions you took today, the affirmations you spoke, the steps towards your end state. Appreciate your growth, your resilience, your commitment to your dreams. Remember, gratitude is a magnet that attracts more of what you appreciate. By expressing gratitude for your present, your progress, and your future, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe, amplifying the magnetic force you've been building. Now, go forth and spread your gratitude like confetti. Let it sprinkle on your everyday moments, your affirmations, your vision board. With each expression of thanks, you're weaving a tapestry of abundance, attracting not just wealth, but a life brimming with joy and fulfillment. Let it be a daily ritual, a way to cultivate joy and align yourself with the frequency of your desired future. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you put out, and gratitude is a powerful magnet pulling you towards abundance in all its forms. Step 4. Unifying your symphony of abundance. Dear magnetizers, we've reached the final movement of our beautiful symphony of abundance. Finally, we celebrate the culmination of our lesson, weaving together the powerful practices that unlock your magnetic potential. Remember, we've explored sensory immersion, immersing ourselves in the vibrant details of our chosen future. Affirmations with action, reprogramming our subconscious and taking concrete steps towards our dreams. Gratitude as a magnet, sending powerful signals of appreciation to amplify the abundance we desire. But the magic doesn't stop there. Today, we learn to orchestrate these practices into a harmonious symphony, creating a unified force that attracts abundance like a beautiful melody. Imagine a grand concert hall. Each practice is a talented musician playing their unique part. Sensory visualization lays the foundation, painting a vivid picture of your end state. Affirmations with action add rhythm and momentum, propelling you towards your goals. And gratitude becomes the conductor, infusing everything with heartfelt appreciation, amplifying the entire orchestra. Now, it's your turn to lead the performance. Weave these practices together in a way that feels natural and inspiring to you. Maybe you start your day with sensory visualization, setting the tone for an abundant day. Then, throughout the day, sprinkle in affirmations, reminding yourself of your worth and power. And before bed, express gratitude for the progress you made, the opportunities you encountered, and the abundance flowing into your life. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice this symphony of abundance, the stronger the magnetic force you create. The universe responds to harmonious vibrations, and when all your practices work together, they send a powerful signal that resonates with the very essence of abundance. So, dear magnetizer, go forth and conduct your own symphony. Let your actions be the melody, your affirmations the rhythm, and your gratitude the conductor, leading you towards a life overflowing with joy, fulfillment, and financial abundance. Let your abundance magnet shine, attracting not just money, but a life overflowing with joy, fulfillment, and the magic of knowing you created it all. Most importantly, never lose sight of the magic within you. You are a powerful co-creator of your reality. With each action, each affirmation, each moment of genuine gratitude, you're sending out a powerful signal to the universe, aligning yourself with your abundant future. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Savor the small victories, celebrate your progress, and trust that the universe is conspiring to support your every step. And there you have it, beautiful magnetizers. You've completed your journey towards strengthening your connection to your chosen future and unlocking the magnetic force within. Remember, abundance isn't just about money. It's about creating a life that vibrates with joy, fulfillment, and purpose. The true magic lies within you. Keep believing in your dreams, keep taking action, and keep your heart open to abundance. As you continue on your path, remember the power of these practices. See yourself at your end state. Speak your desires with conviction. Be grateful for all you have and are becoming, and weave it all together into a beautiful symphony of abundance. Now, before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If this journey resonated with you, please hit the like button and leave a comment sharing your biggest takeaway. Every like and comment helps us spread the message of abundance and empower others to create lives they love. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of personal growth and mindful manifestation, consider subscribing to Better World Zone. We have a treasure trove of resources waiting to guide you on your journey. Until next time, remember, you are a powerful magnet, attracting abundance into your life with every thought, word, and action. Believe in yourself, shine your light brightly, and create a better world overflowing with joy, fulfillment, and prosperity. Create your symphony of magic,